if you're just starting out YouTube and you have no idea how to make YouTube thumbnails, you're in the right place. Welcome to my channel, and this is your digital introvert, and in this video I'm going to be showing you how I made this amazing YouTube thumbnail from scratch. Thank you so much for watching this video to the end. If there's any other tip and trick that you would like to learn, please feel free to ask in the comment section, and stay tuned for my next video.
First of all, you're going to tap on the plus sign and search for YouTube thumbnail. After this, you're going to see a blank canvas to work with, and then you get to choose any background of your choice, but you should have downloaded your backgrounds from Pinterest. Now for this thumbnail, I wanted something that had a lot of green and nature, because I'm talking about skincare products. When you've chosen the background of your choice, you are going to tap on the image and set as background. It is at the bottom. And then when you have set the image as the background, you are going to blur it. And you are going to do this by tapping on edit and then blur. And then we are going to draw the whole image in order to blur it. After this, press the tool button and you will see shapes. Now choose a square shape and make the color black. And what you are going to do next is spread it over the templates. After this, tap on the transparency button at the top right and then draw it to your preference. And then make it as dark as you want. The purpose of this is to make your text much more prominent. Now I've uploaded the picture that I want to use, and I'm going to be adding it on top my background. Now I'm going to increase the photo size and do the necessary editing. Now, since the nature of my video is a skincare video, I'm going to start adding the necessary skincare products to my thumbnails. And if you are curious as to where I got these products, I browsed it on Pinterest and I removed the background. And you can watch this video in order to know how to remove the background for free, because you cannot do it on Canva Pro. Now that I'm done with the whole composition of the thumbnail, I'm going to start editing a few things to make it brighter and better. Now there's a feature which I really love on Canva for the pictures, which is retouch face. It literally makes my face smooth. So if I had any cracks or any wrinkles or any pimples, when I use the retouch face features, it's going to remove all of that and make my face absolutely smooth. Now in this next phase, I am going to outline my picture because it makes my whole thumbnail look more beautiful. And in order to achieve this, you are going to tap on shadow and then outline in order to create. Now in this next phase, we want to add our text, and I'm going to be tapping on add a text box in order to do that. Now, since in the skincare video, I'm talking about distinguishing between fake and real products, I am going to write fake or real, or rather fake versus real, on the thumbnail and increase it. And now for my font, I definitely wanted a yellow color, so I'm doing that for the font. After this, I'm going to arrange everything to align, properly. Now for the finishing touch, I'm going to add correct and incorrect symbols, and I'm going to find that in Canva Elements. But if you go through Canva Elements and you are not satisfied, then you can go through Pinterest and download whatever it is, whatever symbol it is you want, like I did. And this is the overall outlook of the thumbnail.
Bye.